Everyone, my name is Cheng Chen. In this talk, I will discuss our Vizwiz VQA challenge. Here is the outline for this session. I will first introduce the Vizwiz VQA dataset and the task, describe the challenge, announce the winners, and finally present the analysis of this year's results. So the task is to answer visual questions from the people. Here are a few examples. Although these visual questions may seem trivial to answer for many of you, they can pose significant challenges for individuals who are visually impaired. And here is how we split the dataset. Our Vizwiz VQA dataset contains around 20,500 visual questions from the training set, 4,300 for the validation set, and 8,000 for the test set. The evaluation matrix is the same as the accuracy measure used in the VQA V2 challenge. The computer score of predicted answer to each question is matched with the number of humans that responded with the same answer. Now we are going to announce the winners for the Vizwiz VQA challenge this year. The second place is Deep Blue AI. Here are the team members. They are from Deep Blue Technology. Congratulations. And the winner is Hangzihei Team. Here are the team members. They are from Xidian University. Congratulations to both teams. Over the past 5 years, we are very excited to witness a huge progress in this challenge. This year, 12 teams participated in the challenge and received very impressive results. Overall, we find that the top 3 teams performed best on visual questions requiring higher recognition skill and performed worst on visual questions requiring text recognition and counting skills. And here I show some examples where all top 3 teams provided incorrect answers. We found that algorithms might struggle to answer visual questions involving blurred text, long-tail objects, and those requiring reasoning and counting skills. And now we're going to